Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are making moist butter cake. So to begin, we'll start by preparing the pan. We are going to rub in a little butter around the pan and then place in a piece of baking paper. Also, we'll sprinkle some flour into the pan and then shake it round. Then after that, we'll keep it aside. So this is cake flour. We are using cake flour. We are going to measure 3 cups. Do you know cake is very different from other recipes? So making cake is like science. So be sure to get your measurements correctly, else it will not come out well. I'm saying this because I have been there. Because I tried to make cake up to 6 times before I was able to start getting my measurements correctly. To bake cake is not easy. So if you are going to be using this recipe, make sure to get your measurements correctly. Do not add, do not remove. The only optional will be the vanilla extract and the sugar. I just add half a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we are going to sieve the dry ingredients for up to 3 times. And if today is your first time on this channel, my name is Rebecca and you're welcome. Please do not forget to click on that subscribe button and also turn on your notification so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload new video. And to my other new subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Next, we are going to add 1 cup of butter into a bowl. It is at room temperature. Beat and then add in 1/3 cup and 4 teaspoons of sugar. And we are going to continue beating until we get a creamy texture. So while doing this, we are going to make sure we preheat our oven at 150 degrees. So next, we are going to break 4 large eggs. So guys, I'm trying to remove that dark thing that is inside this egg. Can you see it? That dark little thing. So I'm trying to remove it. It's always difficult to remove, always. And we are going to add the eggs one at a time. And we are going to measure 1 cup of milk. Now back to our flour, we are going to mix this flour bit by bit along with the milk. So we are going to be mixing them little by little, no rush. At this point, we are going to add our vanilla extract and vanilla flavor. So you can also use any other flavor you prefer. It's optional. Now we are going to mix it a bit. Do not mix it for too long. Lastly, we are going to mix it with spatula. Is it spatula or the spatula? Spatula, I don't know. Spatula. Okay. And we are going to pour the pasta into the pan. Then bake 150-degree in a preheated oven for 1 hour. And do not open the oven while baking. So guys, here is our cake. Our butter cake is ready. So you see the cake is cracked. It all depends on the oven. There's no problem, so it does not affect it. And moreover, when you want to use it as decoration, birthday decoration, whatever it is, you must also trim the top and the all over the cake. You must trim it, so there's no problem with the top is cracked, provided the cake is well baked. So right now we'll turn it upside down to cool down. Yeah, always turn your cake upside down whenever you want to let it cool down. It's better that way. So you see the cake is well baked. And if you have watched this video to this point, thank you so much. Yeah, so if you have any question of what you don't understand, you can comment down below, then I will be very glad to answer. So guys, if you have not subscribed, please consider to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. And I will hope to see you in my next video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.